Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be introducing a trading system that incorporates two robust indicators, Sumo Pullback and Solar Wind RK. Sumo Pullback is an all-in-one indicator that offers signals, trend, and zone. Notably, it excels in identifying the strongest pullbacks. On the other hand, Solar Wind RK is an optimized version of Solar Wind, our best-selling indicator, specifically designed for Renko charts. So, let's find out what the combination of these two robust indicators has to offer. Alongside Sumo Pullback and Solar Wind RK, I am integrating the risk-reward meter tool into this trading strategy. With this tool, you can easily set stop and target levels and customize the risk-to-reward ratio according to your preferences. Let's look at the parameters of these three add-ons. By incorporating Sumo Pullback and Solar Wind RK, you can take advantage of the following benefits. Additional entry signals beyond pullback signals generated by Sumo Pullback, offering you more trading opportunities. Stop positions based on the trailing stop line plotted by Solar Wind RK. The capability to determine the appropriate time to adjust stop levels by utilizing the trailing stop line of Solar Wind RK and the clouds of Sumo Pullback. Within this system, Solar Wind RK serves as a valuable indicator for trend identification. By observing the trailing stop plot and signals provided by Solar Wind RK, you will gain insights into the trend direction. The pink plot signifies a downtrend, while the blue plot indicates an uptrend. Here are pullback signals generated by Sumo Pullback. Now, we will enter a sell position at the open price of the candle immediately following the signal candle. The stop level will be placed at the trailing stop plot of Solar Wind RK. You can set a target with a reward-risk ratio of 3:1. The same steps are applied to the sell signal. As mentioned earlier, the system provides additional entry signals in addition to the pullback signals generated by Sumo Pullback. Now, I will explain how to identify these additional pullback signals. To identify additional entry signals, we look for a reversal candle that aligns with the existing trend and intersects both the baseline of Sumo Pullback and the trend vector of Solar Wind RK. Following this rule, we've got an additional sell signal here. For the trade setup, I will place the stop at the trailing stop line of Solar Wind RK, situated just above the reversal candle. Additionally, I will set the target level at a position with a reward-risk ratio of 3:1. As you can see from the chart, the risk-reward meter tool allows us to know the potential profit for each target level. In this specific case, with a reward-risk ratio of 3:1, you can expect to achieve a maximum profit of $1,290. The circled positions on the chart indicate the opportune moments to adjust the stop levels. In this system, the trailing stop plot of Solar Wind RK is a crucial factor in managing risks. When the trailing stop plot enters the clouds produced by Sumo Pullback, we will move the stop levels along the trailing stop plot, following the price action to manage risk effectively. The reason behind this strategy is that when the trailing stop plot enters the cloud, it indicates a period of robust market momentum. By adjusting the stop levels along the trailing stop plot of Solar Wind RK, we aim to leverage this strong momentum and ultimately maximize potential profits. I will now demonstrate how to adjust the stop positions. Within this specific downtrend phase, we have identified 3 pullback signals. 2 of these signals are generated by Sumo Pullback, while the third signal is identified by a reversal candle that cuts both the baseline and the trend vector. The stop levels for these 3 signals are placed at the trailing stop line of Solar Wind RK just above each respective signal. When the trailing stop plot of Solar Wind RK enters the cloud, we proceed to move the stop levels for these 3 signals along the trailing stop plot, as illustrated on the chart. When the price eventually reaches the final stop level, all 3 trades are exited, and we successfully gain profits from each of the 3 pullback signals. In this specific uptrend, we have a buy signal represented by an upward reversal bar. The reason is that this reversal bar aligns with the current uptrend direction and cuts through both the baseline of Sumo Pullback and the trend vector of Solar Wind RK. I will initiate a buy position at this reversal bar and position the stop just below it at the trailing stop plot. As the blue trailing stop plot begins to enter the cloud of Sumo Pullback, I will then proceed to adjust the stop level along the blue trailing stop plot. Here is the final position of stop. When the price hits this stop level, our buy position will be exited, resulting in a profitable trade. During this particular uptrend phase, despite the absence of any signals generated by Sumo Pullback, we still have a buy signal indicated by an upward reversal bar that intersects both the baseline and the trend vector. I will be applying the same rules that I mentioned earlier to determine the placement of the stop. Similarly, we will apply the same steps to this buy signal here, which has been generated by Sumo Pullback. We can't wait to bring you more valuable indicators in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for tuning in.